Hi friends, this is Miss Connor again with IO Texas. I am doing this for the parents that have been asking for the sounds of the letters, and also for those students that are practicing with me at home. I need you to practice, okay, the sounds of the letters. It's not going to be in order because we don't learn how to read like that. It's not in order. So now the first one is la letra L. De limón. Letra T. T. Tomate. T. La letra D. Delfín. D. La letra M. Mapa. La letra P. Puma. P. La letra S. Sol. La letra N. Nido. N. La letra F. Fósil. La letra B. Bicicleta. B. La letra V. Vela. V. Hola amigos, y espero que esto les haya gustado. Vamos a practicar en casa.